Welcome again, folks. Get ready to explore the cutting-edge world of car gadgets. From smart navigation systems to innovative dash cams, we'll dive into the coolest tech that's transforming our driving experience. Nonda Health Monitor. Monitor your car's health anytime with this plug-and-play device and its accompanying smartphone app. Get detailed reports on battery voltage, engine performance, and more. Receive instant notifications about potential issues before they become major problems. Car Windshield Umbrella. This windshield umbrella is designed to protect your car's interior without causing any damage to the dashboard. It features UPF 50+ reflective composite materials, reflecting intense heat and blocking 99% of harmful UV ray. It provides a cool driving environment and ensures your privacy. Garmin RV GPS Navigator. This GPS device offers customized routing based on your vehicle's size and weight. With a large 10-inch touchscreen display, you get a clear view of your route and important information. Enjoy features like voice-activated navigation, lane guidance, and alerts for sharp curves and steep grades. Portable car bed. If you are a fan of camping or fishing trips, a portable car bed could be a real game changer. It is the perfect spot to take a nap, spend the night, or simply relax with friends. The bed's soft and comfy surface, as well as its compact size, make it an ideal choice for anyone who loves spending the night outside, whether in a vehicle or a tent. For price of $10, it's really cheap. Don't miss it. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your car clean with this vacuum that comes with 3 attachments: flathead hose, flat extension tube, and brush head. Equipped with a built-in LED light and a 12-volt outlet plug with a 16-foot cord, it reaches every corner in your car effectively. BATOCA S2 Cordless Polisher. Meet a powerful polisher, certain to make your car shiny and new. This polishing tool features 5 amp-hour lithium batteries, providing up to 120 minutes of run time. It's also lightweight and portable. With a fast charging time of 2.5 hours, you can keep working without interruption. Roav Viva by Anker. This smart car companion revolutionizes your driving experience. It's more than just a charger. Navigate with voice-guided directions, listen to audiobooks, enjoy your favorite tunes, and more, all with simple voice commands. Seamlessly connect via Bluetooth, CarPlay, or Android Auto for uninterrupted access. Portable cup holder meal tray. This cup holder and meal tray for your car will make eating on the go much more convenient and mess-free. It is a handy place to store your snacks, keys, and other small items in your car. It fits a wide range of car models, including off-road vehicles, with its adjustable base and unlimited cup slot. TopDon battery charger. Compatible with various battery types, this device provides accurate data comparison with pre- and post reports. Manage charging and testing through the Bluetooth-connected app to save on electricity bills. Its patented 9-step charging process optimizes and maintains your battery's life. UltraDash Z3. Meet the dual-lens dash cam that records everything on the road. It mounts magnetically and starts recording as soon as you start the engine. When someone hits your car, it automatically captures the other driver's license plate number. With a 140-degree viewing angle and 1080p resolution, it records crystal-clear videos. Additionally, its Sony Exmor sensor can see even at night. Baseus dual USB charger. A perfect charger for anyone who doesn't want big and bulky chargers in the car. The device is small and features a pull ring design, making it easy to plug and unplug. It has a zinc alloy shell, providing a delicate hand feel and stronger heat dissipation. Additionally, it offers 30 watts of high power for rapid charging, with a dual port output that can charge multiple devices simultaneously. Noco Boost GB150. The GB150 is a compact lithium-ion jump starter with 3,000 amps for instant dead battery revival. It ensures safety with spark-proof connections, reverse polarity protection, and acts as a power source for USB devices. Built tough for vehicles like cars, boats, and RVs, It's also waterproof, dustproof, and rugged. That's all, folks. Thanks for smashing that like button. Comment which gadget you like the most. See you in the next one.